Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What's going on? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and don't forget about that $400 cash giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. The sun is bright today, god damn. Yo. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to ring the notification bell so you can get all the lit videos that I am gonna have. I said I was gonna have a surprise for you this weekend. I'm sorry guys, I was just like beat, tired, working all this, doing all this work and stuff. But I will put it on there. This little surprise that I said I got Max. Remember, Max is one of my pity puppies. He's the last one born. He'll be 2 years old in March 21st. He'll be 2 years old. So I have a problem with him. He's chewing on the woodwork and stuff like that. So what I did was I bought a shock collar. And I put it on him and I tried it out. And, well, I mean, it kind of worked and then it kind of didn't. I don't know if it's just maybe faulty or something like that, but it kind of worked and then it half-ass didn't. Also, I did get a bow gun, a hand bow gun that I was trying to get. It's not as fabulous as I thought it would be, guys. I really should be trying to get the bigger bow gun, the big one, like the rifle thing. But anyway, that was my surprise for the weekend. I'll show it to you guys one day this week when I have the time. Right now, you know what it is. It's grind flow, shot flow, and I'm on my way to the grind towers. And that's what went on this weekend. After that, I tried to get the little rest that I could get. Because I had to work this weekend as well, guys. Worked on the weekday, worked on the weekend, I had Sunday off, and I got a chance to get some sleep, and that's what I did. I slept, and I'm sorry, guys. I should have been trying to let you guys see that stuff, but you guys still get to see it, because I'm still gonna let you guys. I'm gonna put it on the channel so you can see what I'm talking about, and I'm going to exhibit it after I put it on Max. I'm going to show you guys how it works. It's a shock collar, a training shock collar, to train to do or not to do certain stuff, but actually mostly just to not do. And that's what I want him not to chew up my stuff. He chewed up my chair, the arms of my chair. He chewed up the woodwork at the bottom of my wall. He chewed it twice, and I'll show you, because first time I fixed it and sanded it down and repainted it, but this one I didn't, so I'll be able to show you guys that as well. Alright guys, y'all already see grind flow, shot flow. You know the grind never ends with shot start. Dang, where'd he come from? Little motherfuckers. These people, goddamn people like roaches. They come out of nowhere, dude. You'll be driving. Next thing you know, there goes a roach popped out of nowhere. That shit irks me badly. I ain't gonna lie, that shit irks my fucking nerves. That's how a lot of shit happens. Then the sun don't help out because it's all bright and stuff in your face. Shit. And they don't want you to tint your front windshields. It's illegal to do. Why should it be illegal? Shit. That cuts down on a lot of that friction, especially at nighttime with these high beam ass lights on these cars. It ain't even on high beam. That's how they're making cars now, with bright ass lights on them. But you ain't got no protection riding on the opposite side of them on the highway, because they be all in my eyes at night or in the mornings when I be coming home. And I don't like that shit, so I am going to tint my front windshield. And if I get pulled over, well, I'll take care of it from there. Because I'm going to do it. Shit's ridiculous. Why should we not be allowed to do it? Y'all building cars and putting those high beam lights in them. The blind people going down the fucking street, and then people putting all them bright ass lights on their cars and shit too. So cut some slack here. So if I also see the car with the front windshield tinted, so what? Leave them alone. God damn. It's not a difficult task. You just leave them alone. Right, guys? That's what I say. Woo! Did y'all see that? I did almost hit the back end of this fucking car. Oh my gosh. This is Mondays. This is what Mondays is made of. Bullshit and bullshit and more bullshit. Why the hell? See, this is what I'm talking about, the traffic. Why does it always stop here, guys? Why is it always cluttered right the fuck here? Come on, people. Really? And then I'm going to get up here to the next level. It ain't going to be nothing there. It's clear as hell. So what the fuck was holding them up back here if there ain't nothing up there. See what I'm saying? That's the shit I'm talking about. That be the shit I be talking about. That's when I get to work safe and home safe. I want my wife to get to work safe and home safe. So we can just be safe every day. These motherfuckers out here, they're murderers. Talking about murderers on TV. What you think these motherfuckers in these cars on their cell phones, eating food, doing all kinds of other shit, messing with their kids and stuff, going down the street? Them is murderers too, because they gonna kill somebody. And it's already been done. They've done it. Lots of them have done that shit. Wrecked, took somebody's life or took their own life. 9 times out of 10, they'll be the one to live. They'll kill the other person. Or drunk, or high. These are murders out here that we ride amongst every day, guys. And that's not a lie. Just pay attention. These motherfuckers will kill you and keep going. Look at this 18-wheeler with a blinker on. He's going to jump over front of somebody somehow or another. Because that's what the fuck they do. Oh, sheesh. I'll tell you, guys. I'll tell you. There's that Rapture. Those are nice looking trucks, but again, it's a Ford. I don't know if Ford and Dodge seem to be coming up over top the Chevys here. If I ever get another truck, it ain't gonna be a Chevy. I can tell you that, guys. I'm not even lying. With that monitor, that fucking governor they got in the motherfucker after you get 100 plus miles per hour, your fucking engine shuts down. What the hell's that about? It's a pickup truck. What are you gonna do in a pickup truck? It's heavy. You shouldn't be able to wreck it as much as you would in these little cars they got going 200 and something miles per hour and 300 miles. Come on, really, guys? That be the shit I'm talking about. But anyway, at the end of the freaking day, what can I say? Y'all see this traffic? This traffic is monstrous. These people. What the fuck are they doing? It looked like it was an accident right here. All the glass and stuff on the ground here. Got my vitamins and my joint pills. Boy, these joints need them. I'm getting old, man. I'm 53 years old. March, I'll be 54. It's coming along. I forget to take them along, that's for sure. Get this squeeze. Y'all see what's going on over there? Y'all see that car? You see it? Oh, beat the fuck up, land on the ground. Damn, it came off the tire, came off that thing. He just sitting there chilling. Nigga, get your ass out. His tire probably right up here. Get your ass, get your ass out and go get your tire, nigga. Wow, he's just sitting in his car like he's on the phone. And his wheel's up the street. Did y'all see the wheel? Wow. Now y'all see? See how the traffic done thinned out? Always just back there with that bullshit. That's alright, guys. Let's get it. We ain't in no big hurry, no way. Get there when I get there. That song is ratchet than a motherfucker. Sunday was alright. I ain't do anything, I ain't gonna lie. I just uploaded some videos, a couple of them that I already had on my camera and I just forgot about. And they was acting like they didn't want to upload. They stayed in draft for a long time. I don't even know if they uploaded yet. But I'll check later on. supposed to be a cold week this week. Daytime and night. Super cold in the 30s and 20s at nighttime this week, guys. So put your jackets on, your gloves, your mittens, and your scarf, and dress warm. You're gonna need it. Clouds at? Cloud that damn sun down somewhere, shit. Get out the way. That'll make it colder then too. Done. I ain't lying. Unless they come out with some real powerhouse for next year or the year after that, Chevy's done. Dodge is tearing them up. Y'all see this guy? Y'all see? Y'all see? You see the Mopar sitting beside me trying to get in front of me. He hit my motherfucking hump though and tear his whole goddamn ass up. He gonna get Mopar alright. Pull in front of my damn truck. This big ass truck out, knocked that nigga ass over in the goddamn ravine. That bullshit. I ain't with that. I wanna go home every day. Fuck that dumb shit. I ain't trying to race nobody. Shit. I'm trying to get to where I'm supposed to be and get my ass where I'm not supposed to go. Where I need to be. With no heat on or nothing, guys. It's a Monday. What do you expect? At least I know when I get off it'll be Tuesday. Then when I come Tuesday, I get off it'll be Wednesday. When I come Wednesday, get off Thursday. When I come Thursday, get off Friday. Now that's what I'm working with. Cold winter though. I mean, for me, I'm from up north, so 30s and 50s, you know, that's not cold. To me, it's not. Shit, when you get in the 20s all day long and below 0, that's when it's motherfucking cold. And it don't get that way here. Look at ambulance people coming down on the expressway. They kill me getting on the expressways. Why do they not ride the streets? Why would the fuck would they get on the expressways? Save somebody's life, or he might be just trying to get to the store. You know how they do it. Put them damn sirens and get in traffic and shit. I've done it before. My own POV. So, I know they do it too. appreciate the love and support from all my supporters, my comments, and everything that I get. I appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And just like that, this video's over. Yeet!